Hello dear video viewers and my dear eager listeners, welcome back to my another exciting video. It's me Porosh once again before you. How have you been? I hope that you all are doing great and I'm also fit and fine. So right now, can you guess where I am? Yes, you guess right, I'm at the bank of river Shitolokha. Well, 2 days ago I also came at the bank of river Shitolokha, but that time I was at the central part of Naranganj, but right now I am standing at the Bondor Upojela in Naranganj. But there is a reason behind it why I am here. I came here in order to go Kodom Rasul College, which is located at Bondor Upojela in Naranganj, and my friend Arif actually studying at this college, so that is why we both actually came here to take Arif's admit card for upcoming exam, but we are not allowed to got the admit card because HSC exam actually going on at that college. So that is why the security guard told us to go after 2 p.m. and then we decide to not take the admit card today, and that's why now we are here. We are about to go the opposite direction, I mean the central part of Naranganj where we live. So that's why, and then I thought I should spend some time here because this is a really beautiful environment here at the bank of river Shitolokha. Okay, so there are so many people here, as you can see. Well, some few boys actually looking at me. Well, so just look at this environment. Well, my friend Arif actually sitting over there, as you can see. And if you think you are maybe seeing that over there are some boy who taking bath at the river Shitolokha. Okay, so it's really a nice environment and I'm having a great time. Well, so just look at this. There are so many boys here, and if I try to show you, just look at this. Well, now I'm feeling a little bit of nervousness because they are watching me. Well, so yes, that's the thing, and I always try to make videos no matter where I am. I always say this. And when Arif actually went to my home at 10 p.m. and then when he told me to come here, and then I thought, yes, I want to go because I got opportunity to make video and I don't want to make lost any kind of opportunity to make a video. So that's the reason why I am here. As you can see in my behind, there is a rescue vessel Protoy, which is at the opposite direction of river Shitolokha. So really nice, and just look at the hugeness of river Shitolokha. Really nice environment and having a great time. So yes, that's all for now. I don't want to make it more longer, and don't forget to practice your English regularly, just like I do. Whenever I get time, whenever I got any kind of opportunity, I always try to speak English and practice my English. So if you want, you can do also the same thing that I am doing at the moment. So that's all for now. Take care of yourself and bye bye for now. See you next time. Have a great day.